Good morning, everyone. Bonjour. Thank you for your support, and I love you all. I'm making a simple Epis, a simple Haitian seasoning. It's very simple. I can use it for rice, for chicken, for any meat. It's very simple and it's tasty, very yummy. I am adding a little bit vinegar, but if you don't want to use vinegar, you can add water too. Okay? I have to change the blender for two reasons. First, the small blender is not functioning properly, and second, um, I want to add a little bit red pepper so the epic can look, a little bit red. That's how I like it. Oh my goodness. Well done. Why? Yummy. This a piece. You can marinate anything that you're cooking. For example, fish, vegetables, chicken, tofu, your pasta is very tasty. If you wanna add Maggi, you can add Maggi, it's optional. You add your salt.